Good morning and welcome back to my channel. I'm Grace on Tour and I love to showcase the beautiful world that we live in. And in this video we will be exploring Istanbul, which is the capital city of Turkey. But before we head out there, remember to like this video and subscribe. There are new travel videos every week and I really appreciate your support. But for now, let's head out there. So we have now made it into the city of Istanbul, and the first stop for today was the Blue Mosque, which you can see behind me here. But unfortunately it is fully under construction, so you couldn't see a lot, but we went in, but it was literally just a room, and yeah, everything else is, as you can see, under construction. So instead we will be heading to the most famous landmark of the city, the Hagia Sophia, which is just opposite the Blue Mosque on the other side here. At the Hagia Sophia, and it was absolutely beautiful. And good to know as well is both that the entrances to both of the mosques are free. And now we are heading towards the Grand Bazar.
So we have now made it to a place called thesis, and here you can actually sit on a rooftop which overlooks the whole of the city. And to warm up a bit, because it's a bit cold today, we have some Turkish tea. And a fun fact is that Turkey actually drinks apparently the most cups of teas per day per capita in the world. So that's interesting. And then yeah, we will sit here and overlook the view, and as a Swedish person I still think that it's quite a nice temperature to sit outside, and yeah, this view is really nice. We have now made it over the bridge to the other side of the European side of Istanbul, and we have made it to a place called, or to a site called the Galata Tower. And this is an old watchtower, and you can actually go up to the top to get a view over the city, and it costs 100 Turkish lira. So yeah, let's head up there. We have now made it up to the Galata Tower, and behind me here you can see some of the sites that we visited, like the Hagia Sophia and the Blue Mosque. And then on the side here, it's very hazy, but that is the Asian side, which we haven't been to yet, but we'll be heading to soon. So yeah, a really great 360-degree view from the top. So right now we're walking towards the Rainbow Stairs here on this side of the European side of Istanbul, and yeah, it's a really beautiful area with loads of old, very European looking buildings. Really beautiful and lovely to just walk around these streets. So yeah, let's continue on. So one of the most famous foods you have to try here in Istanbul or in Turkey is the Turkish pizza, or Pide. And as you can see in the clip, I just passed a pizza shop where they were making the dough for the morning. And yeah, it looks kind of like a boat. It's just a very long piece of bread which is folded on the sides, and then you can have different kinds of fillings. And yesterday evening I actually had a vegan version, which was really great and tasted very good. So yeah, and you will find those kind of pizzas and pizza shops everywhere, and usually on most menus at Turkish restaurants. So definitely try that out. So I have now made it to the Rainbow Stairs, and to be very honest with you, it is very, very run down and not really what I thought it would be. But yeah, anyway, it's a stairs with yeah, rainbow colors and loads of cats everywhere. So yeah, maybe not worth visiting, but still, we made it here. We have now boarded the ferry to Kadıköy, which is located on the Asian side of the city, and yep, we can get there for only 11 Turkish lira, and the boat ride from this terminal is supposed to take about 20 minutes. So yeah, let's head to the Asian side.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter, it's too late not to let it.
So we have now made it to the Asian side of Istanbul and come to a place for lunch called Veganarsist. And yeah, we're trying some traditional Turkish food with a vegan version. So we have the Manti, which is a Turkish stuffed dumpling. Normally it's meat inside, but we have soy meat, and there is a tomato-based sauce and then also a yogurt-based sauce. And we also were able to find some vegan baklava as a dessert. So yeah, let's try this.